Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw capital and small letters A, B, C. I start with capital letter A. Trying to draw and paint with me. Now I'm drawing small letter A. Let's draw capital letter B. And here is small letter B.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now I'm drawing capital letter C. Finally, I draw small letter C. I'm going to paint with the colors of rainbow. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. I start with red. I love drawing and painting so much. And the second is orange. Yellow.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Can you guess what color I'm going to use for next?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Green.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
It's going to be so colorful after the painting.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Blue. Learning ABC is so much fun.
Y and Z.
Purple.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. It looks so great. See you on the next video.